In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a screen recording in PowerPoint in just about 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those who are looking to create engaging presentations, tutorials, or just want to share something interesting from their screen directly within a PowerPoint slide. It's simpler than you might think, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can easily follow along. Let's get started by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. PowerPoint is a versatile tool used by millions around the world for presenting ideas, and it also offers the great feature of screen recording. Once you have PowerPoint open, proceed by opening the file you wish to work on from the opening screen. If you're creating a new presentation, simply select New Presentation to get started. This will take you to the main editing interface of PowerPoint, where the magic begins. Now look at the top of your screen for the toolbar. This is where all your main features and functions are located. You're going to want to click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you can add various elements to your slides. Things like images, shapes, and you guessed it, screen recordings. After clicking Insert, you'll see multiple options, but what we're interested in today is the screen recording option. It might take a second to find it since the Insert tab packs a lot of features, but you're looking for an icon or text that specifically says screen recording. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Now this is where the action happens. After clicking screen recording, your screen will minimize slightly and you'll see a small toolbar at the top center of your screen. It's a simple, small toolbar with a few options, but what you're interested in is the big red record button. It's usually hard to miss. Now take a moment to decide what part of your screen you want to record, because once you press that red record button, PowerPoint will capture everything within the selected area. When you're ready, go ahead and press the red record button. After you press it, there's typically a short countdown before the recording actually starts, so you have a moment to get ready. Now, everything you do on your screen is being recorded. Every movement, every click, everything you type. To stop the recording, there's a specific keyboard shortcut you'll need to use. Shift plus Windows key plus Q. Remember this combination because pressing it again will end your recording session. It's a bit of an odd combination to remember, but it's effective. Once you press those keys, PowerPoint automatically stops recording and inserts the screen recording into your open slide. A couple of tips to ensure you get the best out of your screen recording. Before you start recording, close any unnecessary programs or tabs that might contain personal information or could pop up with notifications. This makes for a cleaner recording and ensures your viewers focus on the content you want to present. If you're planning to record audio as well, make sure your microphone settings are adjusted appropriately before you start. This might require doing a quick test recording to make sure everything sounds clear. PowerPoint records your screen at the dimension you select. If you want your recording to fill the entire slide, make sure to select your whole screen before hitting that record button. There you have it, a straightforward guide to creating a screen recording right within PowerPoint. This feature is incredibly handy for demonstration videos, instructional materials, or even inserting live elements into your presentations. Practice a few times to get the hang of the recording process and shortcuts, and soon you'll be adding screen recordings into your slides like a pro. Remember, the beauty of digital content creation is in sharing knowledge and information. Don't hesitate to explore more about what PowerPoint and other presentation tools can do to elevate your presentations. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.